Hey loves, how you all doing? So today we have our Look Fantastic beauty box right here for February 2024. Okay, so let's see what we have. So if you don't know, Look Fantastic is the beauty box subscription where I think it's £13 per month, and you would get five or six products, beauty products in the box. So it's a great avenue for you to try new products. You know, if you're excited about always opening packages, it's a good one. It's not so expensive, and at the same time you get to see beauty products that you like and you get to try out new brands. You know, it's just a way of trying out new brands. So I'm going to leave the link of my last beauty box in January so you see what I got. And now let's see what we have for February. Okay, so as usual we have some flyer and we have the code to scan for the box. Right off the back we have 6 products here, so let's see what we have. So the first one is a scrub. So it is a Christoph Robin cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. So it's a soothing detox treatment shampoo. So the direction is once a week apply a teaspoon size onto wet hair and massage them, then emulsify, rinse and follow with the soap. This is for your hair. It's a scrub for your hair. So this is what it looks like. It's in 40 ml. Okay, so right off the back, that's what it looks like. Okay, so that's the first product we have from our Look Fantastic. So the second product is an anti-aging gel mask. So this is a Peter Thomas Roth's, Peter Thomas Roth's, I think so. Clinical skincare rose stem cell, okay, anti-aging gel mask. So it isolates and replicates 5 perfect rose plant stem cells and 4 nourishing rose extracts. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So you're supposed to apply generous coat onto clean skin, allow to remain onto the face for 10 minutes, and you rinse off. You should do this 2 to 3 times daily. Okay, I see you. So this is a very small amount. So it's a deluxe. It's just 14 ml. It's very small. It's the gel max. I think this will be good for the days that I want to do like pamper routine. I think that's the next video I'll try and do. I think I'll try and do a pamper routine video, so this will be good to incorporate it. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. So if you've used any of these products before, please let me know in the description box and let me know if you love them. Okay, next on the list is the Lottie London Ready Set Go setting powder in brightening pink. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So this is a very small amount. This is just 5 grams. It's a setting powder but in pink. I'm not sure I've used pink setting powder before. I don't even know how it's going to look on me, given that I'm dark skinned. I don't know. Let's open it up and see like the shade of pink. I think I've seen people use pink, but I don't know how it's going to look on me. I'm scared about that. Honestly. Okay, I just want to see what shade of pink. I don't want to mess everywhere up, but look at the shade of pink. I don't even know if you can see. It's very, very light. It's a very light shade of pink. I don't know if it's going to look good on me. I doubt because this is very light pink, but yeah. And I don't have any friends I can give it to, unfortunately. But yeah, so that's what we got. Next is Aromatherapy Associates London Distress Muscle Gel Focusing and Soothing. So it's a muscle gel. Okay, apply directly into any problem area to experience the warming and easy power of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger, helping to soothe and recover. This is good because lately I've been having like back pain. I think maybe because of all the clothes that I wear this period. With my jacket, I'll wear like 3-4 clothes. Come on, my body has been aching me, so I think this will be a good thing. So it's just it's a muscle gel. I feel like it's something that would have a little bit of I don't know if it has menthol, but it should. So you just, okay, it's already open. Okay, yeah, so perceiving it now straight up, I can really perceive the lavender smell. It smells like, you know, this balm like kind of. Okay, can we close it? How did I open it that I can't close it? How did I open it? Okay, so I'm trying to rub it on my skin to see if it's going to have, like, you know how you rub some balms and they have like this cool menthol effect, but I'm not getting that cooling menthol effect. Yeah, but that's okay. So next is, oh, I think this is an a brush, a makeup brush. So this is the, oh, hold on, I don't know if I showed you the stress muscle gel. So this is what it looks like. So next is, this is a Spectrum B06 fluffy blender. Beauty is a spectrum. So this is what it looks like. So this is surely a makeup brush, but let's see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks so cute, it's so beautiful. I like the colors, so cute and beautiful. Last but not the least on for this our box is Groom Hydrate Moisture Massage Bar. So it's for the body. So it's the Groom Hydrate Moisture Massage Bar. Nourish and hydrate. The scent is in lavender and neroli. So this is what it looks like. So you're supposed to melt it when placed. The bar will begin to melt when placed directly on dry skin. Wait until a sufficient amount has melted onto the area that massage it in. Try warming between dry hands before placing on the body. Reapply as often. Okay, so this also is something to help with massaging. So they say your chance to transition from tension to tranquility. Aches, pains, and dry skin will melt away when faced with this replenishing blend of butters, oil, sultry aroma. So it's a bar that is supposed to help you with aches and body pain. So I think it works hand in hand with the muscle gel. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I thought it was going to be like a soap bar or a shampoo bar, but no, it helps with massaging and all that. So yes, in case you have your body pain, like anywhere in your body paining you, you could just use it to massage in your body. Yeah, and that's it for this video, guys. That's basically all for our Look Fantastic February 2024 beauty box. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you use any of those products, please let me know in the description. Please check out my last video, which is my glossy box February edition, to see what we got. And now this is Look Fantastic. So thank you guys for sticking around. All the information you need about Look Fantastic is going to be in my description box. I'm going to leave it there. So thank you for watching this video.